The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Admin. Click Users. Click User List. Locate the user you would like to lock out, and select the date and time for the lockout period. Then check the box next to the user you are applying the lockout to. You can also enter a date and time in the Lockout Until column to apply the lockout period to all users displayed. After setting the lockout period, click the Select All button to auto-select all users. Lastly, click the Lockout Users button. All selected users will now be locked out until the specified time. If you wish to unlock users manually, simply select the desired users and click the Unlock Users button. You may only want to lock out users at a single location. Using the default warehouse location filter, you can filter the user list. In this example, we will filter by our secondary warehouse location. We have now isolated our user list to our secondary warehouse OM.